Here's how you can fix the Shopee F00 error. First, check whether Shopee is currently experiencing an outage. On your phone, open your browser and search for "Is Shopee down?" Then, open Down Detector and select your region. Check whether there are recent reports showing that Shopee is unavailable. If there are no reports, the issue is likely on your device or connection. Next, try offloading and reinstalling the Shopee app. On your iPhone, open Settings and search for iPhone storage. Find Shopee in the list and open its storage settings. Since the Shopee app isn't available in my region, I'll demonstrate the app storage process using MetaTrader 5 instead. Select Offload App, then reinstall the application. If the error is still appearing, try changing your internet connection. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. If you're already using mobile data, connect to a Wi-Fi network instead. This can help determine whether your current connection is causing the error. Finally, restart your phone. That's all for this video. Thanks.